In a You Can Draw This video tutorial, we have created this medallion. In this video, I would like to show you how you can easily switch the landscape inside. And you can switch it with any of the You Can Draw This video tutorial results, for example. First, you'll have to go to your gallery to save one of your artworks. Pick any of the You Can Draw This video tutorial results, drag to the left, click Share, then pick JPEG, and then select Save Image. Now your image is saved on your iPad. To put the image inside of the medallion, we'll go to the layer menu. We can turn off that reflection because of course our reflection will be different once we put in another landscape. Now open the group and go to layer 2. That's the blue circle. We can actually remove the landscape that is on top by dragging to the left and clicking delete on those layers. Or you can just save them and put the new landscape on top, of course. Now while having layer 2 selected, we are going to pick another artwork. We'll do that by going to the wrench, then to add, and then to insert photo. And now you can pick any of the artworks you have created, like this one for example. Now let's zoom out a little bit. And you can use these handles, just make sure that you have it set to uniform. You can use these handles to make the image a little bit bigger so it's covering the entire circle. I'll place it like this and then click the arrow again. Now the multiply layer on top, it is blue, so it's not matching the landscape we have put in. To easily change that color, we can click layer 14, then use alpha lock. And now let's pick a color that we can use. We can use a dark reddish color, for instance, something like this. And now we can go back to the layer menu, click that layer, and then select fill layer. Now this multiply layer has a reddish glow, matching the landscape that is inside. Now, of course, once you have added this new landscape, you also need a new reflection. So you will have to do that step all over. We'll duplicate this group again. Flatten that one. I'll place it at the bottom. Then we'll go to the move tool again and flip it vertical. And we'll move it down just like we did during the You Can Draw This video tutorial. And of course, it also needs to be below our shadow. Now we can blur it a little bit. Use Gaussian blur, slide to the right to around 3%, and I'll use a layer mask again. And then I'll go to the soft brush under airbrushing, set it to black, and work on that layer mask to block. I'll make the brush a little bit smaller, 16%, and I'll block that lower area. And now we have a brand new reflection and a brand new landscape inside of our medallion. Go ahead and have fun switching landscapes.